Now let's go over how to optimize your YouTube videos so they'll easily be found on this second largest search engine online. So first, log into your YouTube account and then click the video upload button in the top right corner of any YouTube page. You can also go to youtube.com/upload. So just click that up arrow in the middle of your screen and then browse for the video you want to upload. Video ranking factors are pretty straightforward. You can go about boosting rank for your videos in the same way you would optimize a website. So think of it: video titles, descriptions, tags. These are the core ranking factors. So keyword insertion is very important in all three elements. So similar to a website, you want to optimize that title. So by doing this, you would place primary keywords or highly searched keywords at the beginning of that video title. Next, you want to type up at least a 2 to 3 sentence description, again with 3 to 5 keywords in it that you want to rank for, and make sure to always include a link to your website or to another social media channel. It's great to interconnect all these social media networks and your website. So by including a link in your description, this is a great area for a backlink to another one of your channels. And then finally, tags. These are simply keywords, so they can be singular or even a long tail keyword that you would like to rank for. So again, you can use Google Keyword Tool to find those keywords that you want to use in the tags. But another site I love to use is keywordtool.io/YouTube. So here you can search keywords and see the traffic for those keywords specifically on YouTube. Okay, so my video has uploaded and I've filled out all the sections. So first, notice my title. See that I answered a question? One of the most common things typed into the YouTube search bar is a question. So answer a question with your video and include relevant keywords, and by default, your videos will get clicked more and rank higher. So again, use the keywords in the title, keywords in the description, and you see the link to my website in the description. Make sure the HTTP is in front of that domain. Otherwise, that link will not be clickable to the user. Then finally are tags. As you type in keywords or tags, just type a comma between each one. And again, try to use single keyword tags and a few long tail keywords of 2 words or more. So once that video is uploaded, you see it's 100% processing done at the top, and you have these 3 sections filled out with sufficient keyword usage. You're going to want to choose a thumbnail for this video. So this is a screenshot that will appear when people search for your video on YouTube and Google. So you can see by default, they give me 3 options. Sometimes it is one that you actually want to choose. But for the most part, if you have a common theme going on your page and you want to increase your click-through rate, you want to upload a custom thumbnail. So for this custom thumbnail image file, you want to be sure to upload a 1280 by 720 pixel image. So the minimum size is 640 by 360. Because you got to think, people will be looking at this either on a big screen or on a mobile tablet or even on a smartphone. So you want this visually compelling imagery to help increase your clicks and views for that video. So some tips I do for my clients. First, use close-ups on faces, preferably with eye contact towards the camera. Another one, include strong emotions. Whether you're happy or sad or excited, I want to see that in your custom thumbnail. Use bright backgrounds. And with that bright background, use contrasting colors or even outlines around the main image. And my final tip for custom thumbnails is to use text directly on that thumbnail or include that logo or brand in the center of that thumbnail. So once you've uploaded your custom thumbnail, click the Publish button in the top right. Now let's go to what I call the YouTube homepage. So this is where you can adjust settings, manage your videos. This is all through the YouTube dashboard. So youtube.com/dashboard. Once on this page, click the Video Manager in the left sidebar. So here you'll see a list of videos that you've uploaded in the past. So to make an adjustment to a video, such as changing the thumbnail, the description, the title, the tags, etc., click the Edit button below the video. So this is the Edit Video page. Notice along the top, these are our various tabs that we can access: Info and Settings, Enhancements, Audio, Annotations, Cards, Subtitles, and Closed Captions. One thing I wanted to mention on this page is the video visibility setting. So down here, notice the title and the description. Next to it is the video visibility settings. So you have public, unlisted, or private. So public is the default, there's no restrictions, and it's searchable everywhere. Next, unlisted equals only people with the direct link to that YouTube video can view it. So unlisted means people can't see the video on your channel or search for it. They need the link to it. So you have to copy the link to it and share it with that person. So this is good if you're sharing a video or embedding a video on your blog and you only want people subscribed to see it. So just a random Joe searching the internet can't find it on your YouTube page, just people who are subscribed to your website and log in and then see that unlisted embedded video on your site. Finally is private. For private videos, you have to input the actual emails or YouTube usernames of the individuals that can view these videos. So they have to be logged into their account on YouTube to be able to view that private video shared with them. So now click that annotations tab at the top of this video edit page. What annotations do is enable you to highlight text directly on the video. So this can include a title, a little label pop-up, a little speech bubble. So while people are watching the video, these little pop-ups will appear, and these are annotations. So think of this text as an additional video note, maybe a call to action, or maybe even a link to a related video. I like to use this feature to ask users to like, share, or subscribe to my channel. So just navigate in the video timeline down here to where you want an annotation or pop-up to appear, then click the Add Annotation box. Once you add an annotation, you can enter the text, play with the size of the annotation box, and the location of that box. Plus, you can add a clickable link to that annotation. Just make sure to click Apply Changes in the top right corner when you're done to save. So for this example, you can see I chose Speech Bubble, loving this video, subscribe now. So I clicked Link, and I click the drop down and select Subscribe, and then it asks for your channel username. So you type that in there, save, apply changes. So at minute 346, this pop-up appears and people can click that and instantly be redirected to my subscribed page. One of my favorite annotations is the title annotation. So again, just click the Add Annotation. In the drop-down, I select Title. So if I have a boring or blank slide, or maybe just a dead time in my video, that's a good time to grab their attention again with a pop-up of a title. So at 1 second to 28 seconds, I have this title appear, Get Instagram Likes. So there's a lot of uses with this annotation, but my favorite is a call to action for what you want. Like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe now. The next tab at the top are cards. So click the Cards tab on this video edit page. This is basically pretty similar to annotations. Notice the white circle in the top right of the video with the eye in the middle of it. So that is an info card, and when a user clicks it or puts their mouse pointer over it, a card will display. So on that card you can include a video playlist, your YouTube channel link, or a link to another website. Another great feature on YouTube are closed captions. With Course Envy, the amount of people that email me asking for closed captions or subtitles on videos is insane. They're highly sought after. And one cool thing is, instead of you actually typing out these closed captions or script for your video, YouTube provides them for free. The next great thing about captions is that YouTube captions are crawled by search engines. So what this means is that YouTube creates a script for your actual speech in your video and then connects those captions to your video. So if you're talking about Facebook marketing or a topic that's highly searched, when people type in Facebook marketing, maybe your title isn't optimized or you didn't use the tag Facebook marketing or the description Facebook marketing, but you talked about Facebook marketing in that video and you enabled captions, so therefore you were crawled by search engines and ranked for Facebook marketing. So captions are a nice fail-safe for getting ranked for keywords if you didn't use them correctly in your title, description, or tags. So while on this video edit page, click that final tab at the top right, Subtitles and CC. Once you click it, a pop-up box will appear asking for the language used in the video. Select the language and then click the Set Language button. By default, YouTube will use their automatic feature to create closed captions and subtitles for you. Now, from my experience, their voice-to-text software isn't 100% accurate, but it is better than you typing out each line of text, which takes a very long time. You can outsource this abroad on Upwork, but again, why not just use the free software provided by YouTube? But if you do want to type out your actual subtitles, that is an option. Just click that Add New Subtitles or CC button. Once you click that button, you'll be prompted to either upload your script or transcribe it right now by listening to the video and typing it out yourself. Now, I'm sure if you've watched any YouTube videos, you've noticed the subscribe button. So the subscribe button is in place so users don't have to find your page every time they come to YouTube. And so your videos appear on their YouTube homepage under their subscription feed. So there are two locations for the subscribe button when someone's watching your actual video. The first appears by default directly below the video. So you have your title, your channel name, and then the subscribe button with how many subscribers there are. The second appears as a transparent subscribe button on the bottom right of the actual video. So the nice thing about this subscribe button is that it drastically increases your subscription rate, as most views anymore are from a mobile device. So think of it, the video takes up the entire screen, at least this subscribe button still appears on your screen while watching. So now go to youtube.com/branding, and this is where you can add that watermark that will enable people to subscribe right on your video. So click that Add a Watermark button, and then upload a small square image that you want to appear at the bottom right of your videos. One note though, the image you upload should be a .png file with the background erased. So what YouTube wants is just a logo or main image showing as the watermark. Think of a watermark, it's transparent. They want the background gone and just the logo floating, so it doesn't take away from the actual video. Next, to further help your YouTube channel get discovered, add specific keywords to your channel. You can access this page via youtube.com/advanced_settings. So here you want to input all the keywords that your channel encompasses. You can also match exact keyword searches by using quotes around those keywords. So see my example. I want people to discover my page when they've included the keywords Udemy or the exact phrase Facebook. So those are just two examples of keywords, but try to fill out this channel keywords field. Next, we want to cross-promote all our social media channels and websites right on our YouTube channel page. So hover your pointer over the header image and then click the Edit Pencil button in the top right corner and click the Edit Links tab on the drop-down menu. Okay, so again, go to your My Channel page, go to your header image, click the pencil, click Edit Links. Now when you scroll down, we have several things we can do here. The description, this is the actual description on your About page. So here you want to include, again, a link to your website, keywords that are relevant to your page. These are just more areas and the actual meta description in Google search for your page. So again, use those keywords that are relevant to your page. Include a backlink to your website. But next, we want to add custom links for right here. I have a link to my website and I have a link to Google+. But let's add more. We have Facebook. So let's title it Facebook. Scroll down and then click Done. And here we go. We have a new icon up here. Link to our Facebook page and our Google+. We can keep adding more, edit, add another one for Instagram, Twitter, and so on. So let's look at one more hack to get users to keep consuming your videos. So let's go to our dashboard. Then we want to go to our channel, go to featured content, and it's here you can add a video that automatically pops up at the end of a video. So when a user is done with your video, they're prompted to click on and watch this next video. So they don't just leave YouTube, they see, oh, this is pretty relevant, let's keep watching this page. So I'll show you an example here. Here I'm at the end of one of my videos, click play. See that? There's our pop-up. So we're prompting them right before the video ends to watch this video. So it's our featured video.